keep my light no more. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, 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 ring. I can't keep this on the low. I want you to make it ring, 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 ring. Should I go first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. Switching up shit is what I can't fuck with. I'm feeling you, but you hard to get in touch with. And you ain't hit me up in a while. Acting like you don't know nothing but a dial. You quit, then that's it. I'ma throw in the towel. Cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke. Better text with your nose so your thumb broke. I don't care if we get into it and I stall on your ass. But I still wake up to miss calls in your ass, nigga. Oh, oh, you don't make it ring, ring, ring.
Hi guys, welcome back to me and my bumps channel. Today I wanted to do a video on this wig. I wanted to do my quick little review, my opinions and everything. And before I cut the lace or did anything to it, I just wanted you guys to see it because it is so gorgeous. But first, just to give you a little bit of background on this wig, the person that makes the wig. If you've watched my first YouTube video on how I revived my 2-year-old wig, the same woman who made that wig made this one, and I've been following her for a long time now. She's made such great progress. I loved the wig back then, but now this is my favorite wig. I'm pretty sure I've said that before about plenty of my other wigs, but this is my favorite wig, hands down. Like, I haven't even done anything to it. I don't even think I need to pluck it. I really don't think I need to do anything but cut the lace and go. So if you watched my first video, back then she called herself Swishalace. Now she disappeared for a moment, which was a little bit disappointing, but then she ended up coming back. She's back now, and she changed her brand from Swishalace to, it's either pronounced FyaMart or FyaMart. I'm not really sure, but the FY is wig. Okay, so I have not cut the lace yet, but let me just get up on the camera here. Like, look at this hairline for starters. You guys, it looks so natural. It's so beautiful. Look at this. Okay, so I'm going to just part it for you guys. And this is a 360 frontal. It does have the 5-inch deep parting in the front, which I love, because although it's not a full lace wig, you can still get the same effect, and you can do a lot with it. And it is 22-inch and curly. And let me just stand up. Okay, so as I'm parting the hair, she did bleach the knots, but what I see is that the parts look orange from the bleach, which tends to happen for people that do, you know, their own wigs or do a lot of bleaching, that it does sometimes give it a little brassy orange color. But no worries, because all you have to do is use purple shampoo. If you guys can see that, and this will get rid of all of the brassy orange color. After this video, I am going to go back and wash it with the purple shampoo, just to tone down the orange just a little bit. But just for this, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace on it, and just to give you guys a better visual of it. This thing is gorgeous. Look at this hairline. I'm not gonna pluck it or anything because I don't need to. It's in flaw. I don't even know what to say. Like, I really love it. And the type of wig that I ordered, her website, everything I will put in the description box. Her Instagram, everything. It's just gorgeous, y'all. I'll be right back. I'm gonna cut this lace. When you have wigs, you're gonna have extra lace in the front. Don't be scared to cut the lace. In my opinion, you really can't go wrong with cutting it, especially when it's, do you see how far the lace is down here from my ear? You can just cut that off. You don't need that, especially your hair's gonna cover it anyway. So don't be scared to cut it, guys. Just cut it. And also what I'm going to do for this wig is I'm going to sew an elastic band on the back. I'm not going to do it on the video, but I'm just letting you guys know that that's what I'm going to do, as well as wash it with the purple conditioner. I sew an elastic band on the back of all of my wigs because that, along with the clips, is how I keep it secure. I don't use any tape, any glue, none of that. I like to take my wigs off at night. I like for my scalp to breathe. I like my edges, and it's too hot for glue. It's just so many reasons, guys, why you do not need glue on your wigs. You do not need glue or tape on your wigs, guys. It can lay flat without it. All you need is to sew an elastic band on the back. You can also sew in extra clips if you just don't feel like it's secure enough, and it is.
You know I wanna stay around. I guess I'll see you next lifetime.
So I also want to flat iron the hair. I typically don't wear my hair straight, but when I do wear it straight, I don't buy the hair straight, if that makes sense. Because hair, straight hair is thin. I do believe that if you just flat iron curly hair or body wave hair, your straight hair will come out a lot more fuller. I never buy bundles straight. I feel like they're like a ripoff. So let me see how this hair looks flat iron. It's so soft.
I like it when you lose it. I like it when you go there. I like the way you use it. I like that you don't play fair. Recipe for disaster. When I'm just trying to take my time. Stroke is getting deep and faster. Screaming like I'm out of line. Who came to make sweet love? Not me. Who came to kiss and love? Not me. Who came to beat it up? Rocky. And don't use those hands to put up that gate and stop me. When we fuck, when we fuck, when we fuck. I could be aggressive, I can be a savage. I just need your blessing. Say that I can dance. Yeah. When we fuck, when we way I use it. You love it, I don't play fair. You end up calling me master. Say that you know versus mine. When we're done, it's a disaster.
Okay, you guys, I just wanted to show you the hair straights. It is not bone straights. I only went over it with my flat iron maybe 2 or 3 times, but I feel if I would have did a little bit more than that, maybe 5 or 6, it would definitely be bone straight. In the beginning of the video, I did mention that I am going to wash the hair with the purple shampoo just to tone down the brassiness of the parts. So now I'm basically wanting to test the texture to make sure that it does go back curly. So what I'm going to do is get a container of water, just to dip the ends in, just so you guys can see, as well as actually so myself can see if the hair actually goes back to its original texture, which is curly. Okay, so now I'm ready to put it in the water. I also wanted to mention that this hair has no shedding whatsoever. And I also just want to show you guys the length of the hair while it's straight as well. No shedding. And I am just going to dip the ends of it in the picture. Okay, you guys. So, yep. Okay, so I dipped just the ends in it. And it is definitely going back curly. And there's up so you guys can see that. Okay, so you see it straight versus the curly. It definitely goes back to its natural texture. So overall, this wig is the bomb. This is my favorite wig. Definitely my favorite wig. I'm gonna put her, like I said, her Instagram and website for her wigs down in the can't even talk, down in the description box. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment, like, share, and
I'm a girl with a towel, cause a nigga only gon' do what you allow. You don't want this gun smoke, better text what you know so you